All right, hey guys, this is Jeff. Look what we've got going up on eBay here, guys. It's a very, very, very old, like a travel kit, like a shaving kit, that type of thing. I mean, it's got some really nice silver caps on these boxes and whatnot. I got a mirror over there. We've got some things for the fingernails, it looks like. Some scissors, like a file, a shoehorn. Shoehorn looks like it's been worn. And what do we got? Like brushes. We have that one container looks like it's got some Q-tips or something. I guess you can put whatever you want in these containers. Another type of brush, maybe for your coat or some type of lint brush. I'm not sure. An old razor in there. There's a tube for a toothbrush. The comb in the back there. Go ahead and see what do we got? A German maker here, made in Germany there, guys. It is just really stunning, and it's the cases hold up quite well. So listen, whether you just want this to have it as a display piece or something like in a barbershop or whatever, it is really, really, really nice, guys. And again, look at the chrome here on the caps here. Oh, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. All right, guys, happy bidding, and as soon as you win the bid, guys, I am packing this up and shipping it out immediately. All right, guys.